Hello, how are you all? As we all using social platforms these days, either it is Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or any other social platform. So this is very necessity for us to use any social platform. But there is also big race in the gaining followers or making followers, subscribers in the social platform. And when we are not getting this after posting regular post and after giving our full support, full hand to that, and we are not getting any followers, then this situation is very demonizing for us. So I came up with a wonderful solution to gain followers on Instagram. This video is especially for Instagram followers, gaining Instagram followers. So in this video I'm going to share 4 ideas which are very basic and anybody can use that. There are many ideas on internet to gain followers on Instagram, but they are especially fake ideas and you can't take real followers from them or genuine followers from them. So don't go for that. If you are going for that, then your account will be terminated permanently. It can be, its stability can be stopped. So don't use that. If you are going for real followers, you have to do something. You can't get anything without doing anything. So let's get into the video and I'm going to tell you first and second point, that is basic how you can use these things to gain your Instagram followers. So the first idea by which people are getting followers, just go to the Play Store and write Instagram followers increase. You'll see that there are many and many applications who are promising to give you followers if you are using these applications. What you have to do is only just click on the application, download the applications and follow the people they are recommending and they will follow you back. But by this process you are only getting 100 to 500 followers in 4 to 5 days. But yeah, it's not a big deal, you can do that, but don't go beyond the limit because it can terminate your account permanently. So this is the first idea people are using. Now coming to the second idea, you can go to Play Store and write purchase Instagram followers. It will come up with the many applications that promise you can purchase Instagram followers. They have certain price, but this is very costly for everyone and from which most of the followers are not real. So you can do that, but this is very costly, I can say that. I'm just giving you example, like if you want 1 million followers on Instagram, then you have to spend up to 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees, which is from my side is very costly. So you can spend up to 5,000 to 10,000 to gain some followers. From my side, I personally recommend that go for only few bucks, don't go for a large amount. So you can do that, you can use that. This is also very genuine and easy to use process. So if you want to go for it, then go for it. Now coming to the third idea, which is very common in Instagram users. Every Instagram user, just go to your Instagram account and follow as many as person you want. Like if you're following 500%, then from that 200 or 300 will definitely follow you back. And after that, if you unfollow those person, this will not affect your count of Instagram followers. So you can do that. This is very easy and basic process and very real process too. Let's come to the fourth idea, in which what people are doing, they are just making fake ID and increasing followers from that. So I'm just giving you example. Just go to your Instagram account and in the search bar I'm typing a random name, like any name you want, but especially girl's name. So here I'm writing Pooja Sharma, and you can say many ID of Pooja Sharma is here. So I'm just clicking on random name. So you can see that this ID have 1.5 million followers and the post they have are of different girls, random girls from many sites. They just uploaded it from many sites and just gaining followers by posting pictures of different girls. So this is also the way you can gain followers, but if you are doing in a right way, don't copy and paste any random photo which have copyright strikes or of real girl or real person. So don't go for that, just take copyright free photos from Google and from any other site, and you can gain your followers. So these are the four basic ideas by which you can gain followers on Instagram. So if you like the video, press the thumbs up button, subscribe my channel for more updates. Till then, bye bye.